All right, I am just getting back from Los Angeles. One of the videos that comes out, it'll show the Long Beach Grand Prix and the Integra Type S. Super awesome event. But this video is actually about wheels and tires. I kept the HPD wheels off of the Ridgeline, and I'm going to put them on the Pilot. So I'll go through kind of the differences between the two wheels, where they're made, offset, sizing is the same. And then obviously the HPD wheels have BF Goodrich KO2 dedicated all-terrain tires. They're 3-peak mountain snowflake. So they're a different category of tires than what the OEM TrailSport has on it. So yeah, let's get started. Let's take a look and see how it looks with the new wheels and tires on there. And I'm curious to see what opinions are like. So this is one of those times where it's like, man, feel free to fire away whatever opinions you like, don't like. If you think it looks good, looks bad. I'm probably going to continue to rock these because I need the KO2s for when I go off-roading. But I'm curious to see what thoughts are. Taking a look here at the width, obviously the KO2 is wider by maybe half an inch. This is conducive to street driving as well as some light off-roading. Obviously this is a dedicated all-terrain tire. This thing is heavy. So I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the sizing on the width. You know, from a height perspective, they're about equal, so there's no real change there, obviously. Side of the barrel, that's what the HPD looks like, and that's what the OEM looks like. So both tires obviously will give you a lot of sidewall here when you're actually out using the tires, which is great. So yeah, let's get the HPD wheels on and see how it looks. All right, I'm gonna do a quick comparison video here between the OEM Continental tire that comes on the TrailSport versus the HPD wheel where I have my BF Goodrich KO2. You can see obviously the KO2 is much more aggressive than the Terrain Contact Continental. The BF Goodrich is a little bit more wide, but taking a look at the OEM wheel here on the TrailSport, you can see what we have. Honda Motor Company right here. This was made in Mexico. It's an 18x8, and the offset is +50 in this case. So the wheel itself is pretty heavy, but not nearly as heavy as the HPD wheel with the BF Goodrich KO2 tire. So this wheel, as my buddy here will display once we get it up in the air, this is a made in Japan wheel by Enki. It's 18x8 with a 45 offset. Obviously Honda Motor Company stamped here, and yes, there is the Enki emblem on here. So with the offset being different, this will stick out just a little bit more than the OEM wheel and tire package that comes on the TrailSport. So I'm definitely going to utilize these when I'm out off-roading and exploring the backcountry. It's probably going to look a little bit better on the vehicle because it'll be just a little bit wider of a stance because of that offset difference. Wheels definitely are heavy, and there's not a great place to grab the wheel either. So not the easiest to mount and dismount once you get it on here, but once we get the video, or once we pull back here and take a look, you'll be able to see what it looks like on the TrailSport. Let's look at the rear suspension. Obviously we have this giant piece here. I don't know if this is TrailSport specific or if this is just how the new Pilot suspension looks. Obviously the travel and these gigantic springs back here. LY. Would love to know what that means sometime. Our sways here. on we go. All right, here she is. So it is quite the departure from the OEM TrailSport wheel and the Continental AT tire that comes with it from the factory. This baby looks like it's ready to get dirty, right? Or more dirty, I guess. Take it around front here. Show you now with the blacked out silver piece. Again, this is the replacement from the Sport. I think it certainly finishes the look much better than having the silver here. The rear piece is getting replaced this week, and then off-roading we go.